chapter 10, that is stuffing. Okay, it is a process which consisting of hiring and those who are required for the organization, the required personnel to fill various job vacancies in the organization. जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वैकेंसीज है उसको फिल करने के लिए जो रिक्वायर्ड स्टाफ्स लिया जाता है, स्किल्ड स्टाफ, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे आर गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड विथ ट्रेनिंग. स्टाफिंग इन अदर सेंस, इफ यू विल स्पीक that it means that manning the positions means putting the people, okay, those who are required for those particular jobs. So manning the various positions in the organization, that is called staffing. Right? Staffing is the process of putting the right person in the right job. सही इंसान को सही जगह पे प्लेसमेंट देना, that is called as staffing. Right? Means, for example, suppose if one person is good in typing, then he should be placed in typist job. So this is called putting the right person in the right job. Staffing is an important part in any organization, which is inherent in all the organizations. Okay, so it is a part of management process also. Management, the term management consists of several interrelated activities, functions of management. So staffing is one of the functions of management. Management का एक function में आता है staffing. Okay, so it is a part of management process. We have already discussed treatment of the employees, then selection of the employees from among those who have applied for the job in the organization, providing them training. Okay, then placement. After placement, training is being provided. Then utilization of the employees and development of the employees, whatever talent, skills they are having, to utilize that to the best possible way. Okay, उसको सही तरीके से अच्छे से यूटिलाइज किया जाता है. So that is called staffing. Number one is part of management. We have already discussed that staffing is a part of management. Okay, it is a function of management which is inherent in all the organizations, or that is one of the important functions performed by all the organizations. सारे organization में ये सारे काम होते हैं, जैसे रिक्रूटमेंट भी होता है, सिलेक्शन होता है, प्लेसमेंट, ओके, ट्रेनिंग, डेवलपमेंट, ऑल दिस टास्क और all these activities are being done by all the organizations. Fine. So it is a part of management. Next, pervasive function. Second feature is pervasive function. This word, pervading, all pervading, universal or pervasive. So what is pervasive? Pervasive means which is required everywhere. Okay, which is required everywhere at all levels. Okay, managers used to go for staffing. So this staffing function is performed by all the managers at all levels in the organization. Work, concerned with people at work, those who are working in the organization, and their relationship, उनके बीच में relationship कैसा है, और it deals with employees both at individuals and groups, consisted of several interrelated steps or several activities are involved in the process of staffing. बहुत सारे वर्क इसके अंदर आ जाते हैं, like recruitment, selection, training, development, appraisal of employees को rating करना, okay, according to their performance, then placement, okay, then transfer, promotion. So all this, compensation policy, कैसे compensate करना है, if worker is getting affected in the workplace, then that is compensation policy. Organization is in need of recruitment, they have to go for selection. This work continues. Some employees are taking retirement, so in place of them new employees are being taken. जो रिटायर हो गए, फिर नए employees को लेना पड़ेगा, फिर उनका select करके फिर उनको training provide किया जाता है. Okay, promotion होता है, जो पहले से काम कर रहे हैं lower level में उनको promote कर दिया जाता है, transfer. So it is a continuous. Next, last feature of staffing is multiple objective. Multiple objective means the organization is having multiple objectives, so staffing fulfills that. Number one is organizational objective, if we will discuss about. Number two is employees objective, and number three is social objective. Okay, so these all are the features or characteristics or nature of staffing.